What's the fastest, best iPhone charger? How about a personal generator that will fast charge your devices and give you personal backup power on the go? I've got a massive deal and it's coming right up. Massive deal, small product, slim, hundreds of dollars in savings, and your key to replacing all of those backup power and personal generators where there's gas fumes and cord pulling and things that will not safely power modern devices. I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I love finding deals. This deal is located right under the video screen. If you expand the video description box under me, I'm going to show you what is basically a power generator meets fast charger meets power bank, unlike anything you've seen. And I do want to mention that this power bank right here, just to give you some perspective, is 4,500 milliamps. This is 40,000. I'm going to show you what you can power, how this works. We're going to unbox it. And again, if you do want to score this at the lowest price that I just found this at, you know where to go. All right, let's unbox. All right, let's unbox this. I'll flip this around so you can see it. You get the setup quick instructions. And then it's funny, this is a lot smaller than the box, right? Look at this. It's very well packaged. I love the handle, but it's very, very small. Beautiful device. Again, stunning, given what's on the market. And I mean, there are so many things that look like this. I mean, what is this? This is a good deal. This is an interesting product, but this looks like it was made at Radio Shack in 1985. So I just want to give you an idea of what a modern day charge product looks like. So let's take this off the screen. This is nice. 2 AC outputs. You have the 4 USB outputs here. The blue one is obviously a fast charge, and then you have the 3. And then you have another DC output, depending on what it is you want to power. And then this is the input. The input is what you will use to charge the device. So here we go. So to begin the charging of this product, you're going to plug this in to a wall outlet. And then we're going to plug the DC input into here. These are the 2 AC outputs you get. And then on the back, and I wonder if this is powered when you take it out of the box. Let's turn it. It is. Woohoo! Comes fully charged or almost fully charged. That is amazing. Okay, so you have that. And then now I can show you. I thought we were going to have to shoot this video in a few parts. This is the bright light. Really, really bright. You have the SOS mode. That's really, really bright. Different pulses. And then let's turn this off. That is really beautifully bright. And it's a very quiet operation, which I love. There's no fans or moving parts. And this is a very lightweight device. This is, if you carry around a MacBook Pro, it kind of feels as though it has similar weight to that and obviously a smaller footprint, although it is thicker than a typical laptop. Okay, I have this hooked up. I am going to power a MacBook Pro, a shoulder massage system, a power bank with an LED light. I'm going to charge an iPhone X. I am going to power a portable air conditioner and a Bluetooth speaker, all from the same device. And you'll see right now, while all of these items are plugged in and drawing power, because I am going to take you through a demonstration of this, it's not losing power at a mile a minute, which some of these devices do. I should mention when you're using this, you have 2 controls. You have the AC, which turns on the outlets. See where it says AC on? And then you have a separate control for the DC, which activates the USBs. So just keep that in mind if you do buy it, as I did, and they're not working. They do have their own on and off switches. You can see USBs are on, and then that's your AC switch right there. Let's start with the easiest part, the iPhone X, charging. On top of that, this power bank is, what is the power bank milliamp? This is a 15,000 milliamp an hour power bank, and this is now charging, and you can see this has a light on it as well that is working. This is a portable USB-C air conditioner, portable air conditioner. This is on now. If you can hear from my microphone, it's on. Cold air is coming out of that. On top of that, while that's working, let's turn on the shoulder massager. This has a big draw. This is on. I'm going to leave this over here. That is powered by USB as well. On top of that, we got the Bluetooth speaker. This is a really good Bluetooth speaker a while ago that I featured, if you want to look back at the video for that. This is charging as well, you can see. And this is a MacBook Pro with the touch bar. So again, a demanding unit. You can see that it's charging. Here, I'll plug this in again so you can see it. Charging. So, and it wants to connect with my Bluetooth speaker. While all of this is going on, and this is still at 70%, let's turn the lights on. The light is on. The massager is working with heat. The air conditioner is working. The power bank is charging. iPhone is charging. Bluetooth speaker is going, and the computer is going. Absolutely incredible, and I will show you again. This is still at 70%. I have not seen a portable power station with all of the benefits and features that I just showed you at this price. So if you do want to check it out, you are scoring this for under 150 bucks, and given how many devices it can power and the functionality, this is great for camping, hiking, road trips. It could be your emergency kit. You could put this in different areas of your home. It'd be great if you have a work shed. It would be great for even hosting a party outside, right? So many times we don't have the outlets we want. This would give you those outlets on demand. And again, that safe charging is key. Score the deal by expanding the video description box right under me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want more huge deals like this. We got Prime Day right around the corner. I am all revved up and ready to save you some cash. Click on my oversized head right here to get subscribed. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here, and that last big roundup of deals I did, over here.